Is it as bad as everybody says? Do you think that we're going to see them getting together by the end of this week for some kind of deal?
Well, actually, have a very positive message. I think they're very, very close. So if you look at the announcements that President Putin made on Friday, he basically talked that Russia is ready for a 10 to 12, maybe even more million cut that is important for the markets. He talked about how important this oil deal is. So Russia is committed. And I think we came through a long way with Saudi Arabia. We overcame lots of difficulties. Many people were doubting we would do the first original cut deal. We were able to succeed. So I think we are much closer than many people think. And I think the whole market understands that this deal is important and it will bring lots of stability, so much important stability to the market. And we are very close.
When you think about this a bit more broadly in terms of what we've seen over the last several weeks, all of this obviously feeling the major impact of the uncertainty surrounding coronavirus, COVID-19, of course, spreading so rapidly through Europe, spreading so rapidly now through the United States. When you take a step back and think about what this could potentially mean for the global economy, how tough do you think that we're going to see things over the next 18 months?
Well, we believe in major global recession. And frankly, we talked about this in Davos, that already leverage was too high. We have over 300% leverage as percentage of GDP in the world. And in 2008, during the crisis, it was only 220%. So any shock could really delever economy significantly and lead to major problems. And we see a major shock. So we see a major recession in the world happening. Russia is positioned quite well because it has less leverage than most of the countries. But it's an example that we need to work together with the US to stabilize the world economy, and stabilizing oil prices is one part of it. US could lose 10 million jobs if the market is not stabilized. So we are working very close with US, with Texas regulator, with the energy minister of the US to have US participate in the upcoming cut in the oil markets as well. And I think it's Russia, Saudi Arabia, US, other countries that need to step in to stabilize the markets and to bring stability in the world that is about to see probably the greatest recession ever.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.